difference.
Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Arana, and in today's video I'm going to show you 4 easy and quick hairstyles which are super popular at the moment, and you can achieve these hairstyles only with a hair oil and a wetted brush. Yeah, that's all. No blow dryers, no hair products like wax and clay, just a hair oil and a wetted brush. And 4 hairstyles are a classic quiff, and then a classic pompadour with a modern touch. The third hairstyle is the one which I'm wearing right now, a sideswept hairstyle, and the fourth one which has come recently in trends, and that's the curtains hairstyle. If that sounds interesting, let's jump right into this video. The process to achieve this hairstyle is pretty simple actually. You have to just hop into the shower, wash your hair with shampoo, apply conditioner or a hair mask, and then towel dry your hair. Apply 3 to 4 drops of hair oil depending on your hair length. For me, 4 drops of hair oil is perfect for my hair length. For your hair length it may be 2, 3 depending on your hair length, and it's oil absorbing type, so I'll apply hair oil throughout my hair length and emulsify it through nicely. Then I'll use a vented brush to spread it out evenly throughout my hair. That is pretty important because while applying oil you tend to miss out on some places, and by combing it with a vented brush you assure that your entire head is covered with hair oil. So I'll nicely massage my hair right now, like get into place, and just head massages actually help you grow your hair out. I mean, like, it increases blood circulation, so it's pretty good. So now I'm combing my hair with a vented brush. I tend to like slick it behind, as my hair oil technique. I slick my hair behind, wait for my hair to air dry. It dries in like 8 to 15 minutes, and then after that I just style my hair accordingly. So I'm nicely slicking behind my sides too. My sides are pretty long, and as is my fringe. My fringe comes like below my Adam's apple. It's touching my collarbone now, which is pretty long. My hair has become pretty long, so now I'm combing my hair behind. It's a complete slick back, and the first hairstyle I'm going to show you is called the curtains hairstyle. And so after my hair dries out I'll show you how to do it. So here's me just combing my hair behind over and over again. And now when I'm satisfied, that's when I'll start the process for the curtains hairstyle. So for the curtains hairstyle you need to just partition your hair in 2 parts, wait for it to dry, and then volumize each part. As you can see, just take out a strand, puff it up a bit. The same with the second side. Take out a strand, puff it up a bit, push it from behind to give an illusion that you have high volume. It helps because in curtains hairstyle people tend to keep their hair flat, which doesn't give that much of a good vibe. It doesn't look that good. So this is how you can add in more volume. Just push it from behind a little bit, and just with the help of your fingers, like, try to uplift the strands a bit, and that can give you a lot of volume. Like, it looks super good, as you can see. So let's move on to the second hairstyle, and this hairstyle looks super good. Curtains hairstyle is in trend right now. So the second hairstyle is a slick back, I guess. Oh, it's a modern quiff. I don't know. Just find out because I'm doing a voiceover. I think most probably I'm doing a modern quiff. So same thing, slick my hair behind. Yep, this is a modern quiff. Wait for your hair to dry. Nicely add in more volume. Same thing, like push your hair from behind a bit, and this looks super cool. Wow. So that's the modern quiff. Super good, super nice, without any hair clay wax. This, I'm pretty sure, is a pompadour. Yep, this is a pompadour because I have a good feeling. So I'm slicking my hair completely behind in this. For a pompadour, like, there are 2 types of pompadours you can have. One is like a slightly volumized pompadour, like, and the other one is a complete slick back. So slick back, you have to keep it slick back, like completely flat behind. This pompadour, I'm just giving it a bit volume. It's a little bit similar to the quiff, but not as much voluminous as the quiff and not as much texturized as the quiff. So you can actually like apply pomade and stuff. The final hairstyle is my personal favorite hairstyle, the Sideswept hairstyle. For that simple, like from the classic quiff, just bring your strands down, add in a bit volume, push it from behind, and bring your hair next to your face. And this hairstyle is super cool. It's literally my favorite hairstyle of all time. I love it. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, turn the notifications bell on, and follow my Instagram, which is @Maximus_Arana. And the topic of discussion for today's video is, out of these 4 hairstyles, which one was your favorite? So let me know down in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.
So I leave it all behind. Wanna live a life